Hey, my name is Shu. In this video, I'm going to show you how I keep my mindfulness journal on Notion. Mindfulness and gratitude have many health benefits. It can improve your focus and concentration. It can lower your blood pressure. It can ease your anxiety, depression, and stress, and the list goes on. There are many ways to practice gratitude and mindfulness, but journaling is one of the easiest and most effective ways. And I use Notion for journaling, and let's just dive in and I'll show you how I do it. So this is a template I made for mindfulness journaling on Notion. It has some standard questions like, what are the 3 things you're grateful for? What are the 3 things you will do to make today great? Daily affirmations. What are the 3 amazing things that happened today? How could you have made today better? But in addition to these questions, I wanted to add the following questions. 1. What are you thinking of? And 2. What did you learn today? So the first question is based on the idea of the brain dump. A brain dump is a method to declutter your mind and get mental clarity to focus on your work or study. The idea is to dump all the content in your mind onto paper or your digital notebook by writing them down. The reason why this is so effective to clear your mind is that it lets you capture abstract thoughts that are flying around in your mind and make them tangible. So simply write down everything that pops up in your head that are stressing you, like exams, presentations, or job interviews and meetings. So this question lets me see what's worrying me, what's annoying me, or what's stressing me out, and get those nagging thoughts out of my mind. The second question is based on the idea of active recall, and it's not so much related to gratitude, but this question lets you to remember what you learned today. You know, we learn new things every day, but we forget the most of the information by the end of the day, which is kind of shame. However, asking yourself what you learned today forces you to perform active recall, which is a very, very powerful memorization technique. So basically, if you want to remember something or a fact, you should recall it without looking at any notes or any materials or looking it up online, instead of reading, rereading, or highlighting it, because active recall is so much more efficient ways to move information from short-term to long-term memories. So in summary, my gratitude or mindfulness journaling template looks like this. So in the morning, ask yourself, what are the 3 things you're grateful for? What are the 3 things you will do to make today great? Daily affirmations, and finally, what are you thinking of? And this is for brain dump. It really helps you to clear your mind. And in the evening, before going to bed, ask yourself, what are the 3 amazing things that happened today? And how could you have made today better? And what did you learn today? And this is for active recalling. Hey, thank you so much for watching, and please feel free to use this template and customize however you like, because that's the beauty of Notion, you can change however you like. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.